Namaste, namaste. Since hundreds and hundreds of years, mankind has been abusing the planet, abusing our original mother. I call our original mother. The original mother, the most original mother of all. The Mother Earth, Mata Prithvi, Mata Dunya, Durga Mata. For hundreds of years, we've been abusing, some humans have been abusing the planet very, very badly, very badly. And now we are seeing terrible, terrible results, terrible results, terrible results. So don't be surprised if even worse tragedies happen, if even worse and worse tragedies happen than the one that happened yesterday in Dharali, Uttarakhand. Don't be surprised, don't be surprised. It's always terrible when people lose their lives. Any death of any person, even when good people die, it's very bad. And when bad people die. So it's terrible, it's tragic, but don't be surprised if we see more and more tragedies on the planet Earth. Don't be surprised, okay? Because during hundreds and hundreds of years, some human beings have done terrible, terrible damage to the Mother Earth, the original Mother Earth. And now Mother Earth, naturally enough, is very, very angry, and some people will call this karma, or they will call it revenge. I don't know, but just stay safe, and protect our forests, protect our forests, please. Namaste, namaste, namaste.